You've been given a picture and you've been given a formula. On your fluency and on the SAT test, you may actually have to pull this formula off of a formula sheet. But then you're told that the volume is 200 pi. And you know that equals pi. You're asked for diameter, which doesn't show up in my formula, but we know that the diameter is equal to twice whatever the radius is. So we can find that radius, and we know the height is 8 centimeters. So we can divide everything on the right. We can divide by 8, and we can divide by pi on both sides. The pi's would cancel out, and so we really have r squared equaling whatever 200 divided by 8 is. So if r squared equals 25, then we'll take the square root of both sides. R will equal 5. And now that I have r as 5, I could double it to get a diameter of 10.